Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Gatling guns are a much-needed tool of present-day military operations, possessing unexcelled firepower, functionality, and dependability. Launching a rapid-fire barrage in small bursts is important to suppress enemy forces and defend key positions. As aerial combat gained predominance, the need for such a powerful weapon grew. Gatling guns were first introduced in warfare during the American Civil War. This gun was designed by Richard Jordan Gatling and served by Union forces at the Siege of Petersburg in 1864. After many decades, the Gatling-type guns were used on aerial vehicles. Perhaps one of the most renowned aircraft to carry a Gatling gun is the Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II, more popularly known as the Warthog. Born in the early 1970s, the A-10 was specifically built to provide close air support for ground forces. It was driven by a need for an aircraft capable of loitering at low altitudes, allowing it to target enemy armored vehicles and tanks. The gun maintenance and overhaul of the GAU-8 Avenger is a highly controlled and technical process that ensures the A-10 Thunderbolt II remains combat ready. Built around the massive 7-barrel 30mm cannon, the A-10 is unique in that the aircraft itself is designed to support the weapon system rather than the other way around. Maintenance begins with safing and unloading the gun system. Ammunition drums are cleared and inspected, and the gun bay panels are removed to allow full access.
Yeah, the bar scope.
Armorers and maintainers then conduct detailed visual inspections of the barrels, feeder delinker, hydraulic drive system, and mounting structure. Barrel wear is carefully measured to ensure accuracy and safe firing limits are maintained.
Hit that side cylinder.
During scheduled overhauls, the entire gun assembly may be removed from the aircraft. Components are disassembled, cleaned, and checked for cracks, erosion, or stress damage. Hydraulic seals and bearings are replaced as needed, and rotating assemblies are balanced to precise tolerances. Functional tests are then performed, including dry fire cycles to confirm smooth rotation and proper feed timing. This meticulous maintenance process ensures the GAU-8 Avenger can reliably deliver devastating firepower while maintaining the A-10's reputation for durability and precision in close air support missions. After maintenance is complete, the GAU-8 Avenger undergoes a controlled test firing to confirm proper operation before returning the A-10 Thunderbolt II to service. The gun is mounted in a reinforced test facility where live ammunition is fed through the system under strict safety controls. Installation of the GAU-8 Avenger onto the A-10 Thunderbolt II is a precise and carefully coordinated process. The gun is aligned with the aircraft centerline, so recoil forces pass directly through the fuselage structure. Maintenance crews use specialized lifting equipment to position the cannon into the gun bay with exact tolerances. Mounting points are secured and torque checked before connecting hydraulic lines, electrical interfaces, and the ammunition feed system. Final alignment inspections ensure proper barrel clearance and integration with the aircraft fire control system before operational checks begin. Plane side loading of ammunition onto the A-10 Thunderbolt II is conducted by trained armorers under strict safety procedures. Linked 30mm rounds are fed into the drum that supplies the GAU-8 Avenger using powered loading equipment. The drum is loaded to the required mission quantity while maintaining precise weight balance. Once complete, access panels are secured and final checks confirm the system is safe, balanced, and ready for flight operations. Anyone would accept that flying on board an AC-130 gunship is more like staying in a bunker. The state-of-the-art weaponry and countermeasure systems have much to offer to protect the aircraft and wipe out enemies on the ground during a mission. The history of gunships dates back to the 1920s, when side-mounted guns were tested on de Havilland DH-4s. Since then, gunships have played an unassailable role in providing much-required close air support to ground troops. AC-47 Spooky and Fairchild AC-119 played their roles as gunships with immaculate outcomes. AC-130 joined the clan in 1968 and remains the epitome of gunships. The AC-130 is an ideal assortment for close air support, air interdiction, and armed reconnaissance. The U model, or the Spooky, is a third-generation gunship that has side-firing cannons of 40mm and 105mm and a 25mm Gatling gun located on the port side of the gunship. The M102 105mm howitzer is the largest gun to take flight. This lethal weapon can fire 10 rounds per minute in rapid-fire mode. The L60 40mm Bofors cannon fires 100 rounds per minute, while the 25mm GAU-12 Gatling gun has a whopping firing rate of 1,800 rounds per minute. The gunship is extremely versatile, with the ability to engage 2 different targets at the same time. Loading the AC-130J Ghostrider, the newest addition to the U.S. Air Force, is a task of its own. Unlike its predecessor, AC-130J, the Ghostrider is equipped with a precision strike package with wing-mounted small-diameter bombs and Hellfire missiles. The laser-guided Griffin bombs are mounted internally and released through the rear cargo door. Munition systems technicians place the bombs on rack units that will fix into the external hardpoints. They use bomb loaders to move bombs around and a jammer to raise the bombs to the mounting pods under the wing. Small diameter bombs, SDB, such as GBU-39, and Hellfire missiles such as AGM-114 are mounted into the external racks. Each bomb rack unit can hold up to 4 small diameter bombs, fully utilizing the external hardpoints. With all of this cutting-edge ordnance fitted to the outside, the inside of an AC-130 is not second to its outside glamour. The state-of-the-art cockpit with fully integrated digital avionics is all that a pilot would ask for. Each pilot has a heads-up display made to improve the pilot's situational awareness by displaying timely information on the display. The Combat Systems Officer, CSO, stays with the pilots in his dedicated flight deck workstation. The cargo bay of the gunship houses a Mission Operator Pallet, MOP, that controls all the systems attached to the Precision Strike package. A Weapons Systems Officer, WSO, or the WISO, controls the MOP along with a sensor operator. The WISO does all the targeting and controls the triggers, while the sensor operator controls all sensors fitted to the gunship. Apart from the immense firepower built into the gunship, its electronic warfare systems make the aircraft unbeatable in all forms. Radar warning receivers and missile warning systems warn the pilots of any incoming threats from the ground or air, while countermeasures dispensing systems spoof the incoming missiles protecting the gunship. In the constantly changing world of modern air warfare, filled with advanced technologies, fifth-generation fighter jets have become crucial as countries compete to control the skies. Among these, the F-35 stands out as a prime example of air power. Designed for missions ranging from high altitude to electronic warfare, the F-35 doesn't necessarily highlight today's transition to a versatile, all-weather, operational aircraft, not only on many, but also represents a major advance in aviation technology. Stealth technology fundamentally changes the dynamics of modern combat and is designed to make an aircraft invisible to radar and other detection systems. The F-35 leverages this technology through several advanced features. When looking at the F-35's features, one standout is its powerful weapon, the GAU-8 25mm Gatling gun. This isn't just any gun. It's specially designed to work with the F-35's gun systems. The GAU-8 is key for the jet's flexibility and effectiveness in battle. It weighs 230 pounds and can fire up to 3,300 rounds per minute, with a strong recoil force of 3,700 pounds. This gun can be operated with hydraulic, electric, or pneumatic systems and uses different types of ammunition feeds, really showcasing the F-35's powerful capabilities in the air. The journey through the evolution of Gatling guns and modern air power shows how precision firepower, rigorous maintenance, and skilled crews come together to dominate the battlefield. From the GAU-8 Avenger, defining the A-10 Thunderbolt II, to the devastating versatility of the AC-130 gunship, and finally to the stealth-enabled lethality of the F-35 and its GAU-22 cannon. Each system reflects decades of innovation and combat experience. Together, they demonstrate how modern air forces maintain overwhelming firepower, adaptability, and survivability in an ever-evolving battle space. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.